Hi students, this is Ms. Sepulveda. Today we're going to be learning about the Renaissance. Can you repeat? Renaissance. Now, the Renaissance was a period in history that came after the Middle Ages. If you remember, the Middle Ages was also called medieval times and Dark Ages. Now, the reason that it was called the Dark Ages was because of the lack of education that existed during that time. Now, the Renaissance. The Renaissance was considered a turning point in history because it was so different from the Middle Ages. The Renaissance means rebirth. It is a French word, and it means rebirth, el renacimiento. It is a rebirth of the classical ancient Rome and ancient Greece when they emphasize on art and learning. All of this art and learning died during the Middle Ages. They were not interested. They were just focused on the church, if you remember. Now, the Renaissance began in northern Italy. Now, I'm going to stop here because I want you to go back and review this video, and I want you to write notes on what you understood from this video. So let's summarize. What did we say first? We said that the Renaissance was a turning point. A turning point, which is a big change. Why was it a big change? Well, it was a big change because the Renaissance focused on art and learning. And it was a big change from the Middle Ages, where the main focus was on religion and surviving and honoring God so that you could go to heaven once you die. This was very different from the Renaissance, where people were important. Art was important, learning was important. One more detail that you learned in this video was that the Renaissance began in northern Italy and that it meant rebirth, to be reborn. Please remember that you can review this video as many times as you need to. Please take notes. If you understand what the video says, but you can't write it in English, write it in your language. Write the notes in your language and send them to me. Okay? There is an activity that I would like for you to complete that is going to ask you questions about this video. I would like for you to complete that as well. Okay, my friends. I hope that this video was useful for you. I hope that you learned from it. And this is just day one of the Renaissance, but it's important. So please review the video and complete the assignments that I have prepared for you today. Goodbye for now.